I welcome all of you on platform of Pure Education, and this my video is related to engineering services exam. You know, once this exam used to be very lucrative among students because lot of seats used to be there, and Indian Railways was the most lucrative job through engineering services. But now unfortunately engineering services is out of it, and government so far has not come out with any plan of IRMS. And maximum students now find engineering services to be one option not worth trying, and normally they don't fill up the forms. See, that is your call, that is your own decision. That is I'm not going to basically tell you to fill the form or not to fill the form. That is your call. But I still believe that there are other than railways also there are very good jobs in engineering services, like central engineering services, CPWD, defense services, MES, military engineering services and all. So these are some of the good jobs offered by engineering services, and you cannot directly relate it with the probability. Last time when I interacted with the selected candidates, so all of them, when they started preparing for engineering services or they wrote this exam, they did not make much analysis or calculation in their mind that number of seats are less, only this much seats are there for mechanical, this many seats are for civil, or this many seats are for electrical, electronics. So there is no meaning to write this exam and all. If you want to clear any exam, stop doing this calculation and stop doing this analysis. I keep on interacting every day with the students who do not get into easier thing and get into difficult thing. Yesterday only I interacted with one student who said that I could not get into a particular job which was not a very good option, but I got into ISRO and my rank is also good. So there are so many such examples. So if you sit on calculation, that number of seats are less, so I should not fill, or number of seats are this, so that calculation actually does not work. So you need to have one attitude in which you are to give your best for particular exam, prepare well, give your best and see the result, and you will find that it works. Maximum time it works. So now I will give you some information about engineering services which is important. So engineering services ka notification, all of you are aware, it has come. Date of notification was 22nd of September, and exam will be 20th of Feb. So Feb month is also exam of GATE exam is also there. So 20th of Feb you will have exam preliminary of engineering services also, and all these details are already there. Now in engineering services, as you know there is a preliminary and then there is a mains exam. So they have these requirements of these two are little different in preliminary, and your mains paper, the requirement is different. Preliminary means there is a paper of general aptitude, and then there is a paper of 200 marks general aptitude, 300 marks engineering the subject paper is there in preliminary, and then you go for mains, which is your technical subject, and then followed by interview. So there are three stages engineering services, as you know. Let me tell you, YourPedia has made a wonderful material for engineering services paper 1, that is your general aptitude paper. That content is really good, and we have invested a lot of hours to make that particular content, and we are updating that for all those students who are writing this exam seriously. This is the minimum time investment on your part with which you can prepare this particular paper really nicely. As I told you in the beginning of the this particular video, that this decision whether you want to write or not, that is your decision. But yes, think positive before going for any particular exam. But if you are writing this exam, then for paper 1 you can certainly depend upon YourPedia paper 1 content material which you have made. The moment you go for that content, 80 to 90% you will get immediately, and then 10% updation with pace of time you will keep on getting. So that is what is the basically material you can look for. Now there are 4 branches: civil engineering, mechanical, electrical, electronics, for which the seats have come, and I think there are 247 total vacancies. Look like quite less vacancies, but those of you who are interested in some services offered by this, engineering services, and they are really good services. Like military engineering services is a very good job. Garrison assistant, garrison engineer in cantonment area, that is wonderful job. CPWD is a very good job. So these jobs are good if you want to try, and if you want to go for these. Eventually only some of you will get into these jobs. Why can't it be you? So think of that way and apply for these jobs. So these are the jobs which I was telling you, they are worth joining if you get the opportunity to do. Central engineering services, like defense services of engineers, Indian defense services, they are very good jobs. MES, these jobs are also. Indian skill development is a new job which is added, that is also good job here. Central water engineering, this job also placements are, these postings are in the metropolitan, so these are also good jobs if you can if you want to join these. Yeah, so this all are the different jobs offered through your engineering services. And as we already know, engineering services are the best government sector jobs for technocrats in India. So still these jobs have their charm, except that railways has taken railways jobs are taken out of these engineering services. Now centers and everything that you can see. Eligibility may, I just want to tell you about age limit. Focus on these two lines which are the most important. So you should not have born earlier than 2nd January 1992. So suppose you are born in 1991, you cannot write this exam. So 2nd January 1992 से पहले तुम born नहीं होने चाहिए, and 1st January 201 के बाद तुम born नहीं होने चाहिए. तो these are the most confusion among students is this. Date of birth को लेके confusion होता है, ये दो देख लो. इससे पहले नहीं होने चाहिए तुम, और इसके बाद भी नहीं होने चाहिए. You understand? Suppose you are born in Feb 2001, you are not eligible for writing this exam. So आप 1 जनवरी से पहले born होने चाहिए और 2nd जनवरी 1992 के बाद होने चाहिए. That is the age limit, that is something which is the most important. That is what you should see. Rest is very, I think you will go through this and you will understand very easily. Education qualification and all, you are already knowing this. There is no trouble. Yeah, fees is I think 200 rupees, but that is exempted for female candidates, SC, ST and all. So that is also, you all know about this, how to apply. You have to go to the site and apply. That is also there. Now the plan of exam is preliminary stage is there, objective type होगा, और उसके बाद आपका main stage होगी conventional paper and then personality test. So जो preliminary stage है, that is made up of 2 papers. Let me show you these 2 papers. Yeah, this is how it is. So general studies and engineering aptitude is of 200 marks and civil engineering technical is 300 marks, and marks are added, overall marks are added every time. So this is what I am telling you. The purpose of my making this video was also to tell you about the product Yourpedia has. Yes, so Yourpedia has invested lot of energy and time on making module for this particular paper 1. This is very precise and value for your money. If you invest, immediately you will get 80 to 90% of the topics which actually are relevant topic for this particular paper. So you can depend upon this. For this paper you can depend upon the material provided to you by Yourpedia, and then your technical subjects which you have to prepare for GATE exam also. So that is same, and after that, once you go to mains, then there is a conventional paper of mains, 2 papers, 600 marks, and followed by that there will be interview stage, I think, and that interview stage, personality stage will be 200 marks. So preliminary stage 500, then conventional 600, and then interview 200. So you understand this, no doubt seats are less, but the people who have got selected in previous years with less seats, when I asked them that number of seats were less, how did you manage? They said we just did our job, we just did our work, we prepared and went to the exam and we got it. So that is how it works. So you need not to make much calculation about the number of seats and all. Prepare well, go to the examination hall, and for paper 1 you can basically seek the services of Yourpedia Education. All the very best. Last date is approaching. You can fill this form, and Feb May you will have preliminary for engineering services. Explore all the options. So if you are passionate to join government jobs and the really good government jobs in engineering sector, the best jobs are still engineering services jobs. So those of you who are passionate to join these jobs, give your best. And you know, many students are deviating from it. That can also be one reason for you to think about this, that not many people are writing it, many people will be deviating, because this time the engineering services is at the time of GATE. So maybe maximum people will focus on the GATE exam. Think of GATE is on 14th Feb and engineering services is 20th Feb. Many students will deviate from it. So the students who will make very good time management this time can score high for engineering services as well. Hope I made my point clear, and soon we will also provide you some good lectures, videos, and many videos are already there on Yourpedia related to paper 1 of engineering services. So all the very best and go for this exam. Thank you.